Brasia kitchen. A one antique Gloria betoni boise. No what church or near my hodo. It come along with her. You see I didn't boom. Gloria, yay!
Happy New Year, precious family. It's my prayer that the Lord will open all closed doors this year for us. If you are watching me for the first time, this is Brasia Kitchen. Today we're gonna make Fante Fante stew with fresh fish, seafood. Very simple. We have tilapia here, crab legs, shrimps, have my fresh tomatoes, thyme, ginger, garlic, and 3 onions, some peppers, and spring onions. I'm just using the green leaves. Okay, and I have here my salt and black pepper, and I have here my Zomi is red oil. So I took these out. I'm gonna blend these. So my red oil is ready. I'm adding the onions. So I add in my onions. Okay. So I'm adding in the tomatoes and the onions, pepper, ginger, garlic, and the thyme. So this stew in Ghana is also called the Fisherman's stew. Okay, now I'm gonna add my fish. Oops. I seasoned the fish with some salt, so I'll add a little bit more to the stew. And Fante Fante, as soon as you add the fish, you're not supposed to stir it. So I'm gonna add my shrimps. Ooh. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit salty. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it smells so good. Yep. So this is how you do it. You shake it because you put the spoon in, you're gonna mess up your fish. So you keep shaking it. Look. What? Oh, this is mouth-watering. Yep. I'm done. Let me enjoy my food. You are invited. Very delicious. Look at the fish.